Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to change your name in a CBSE mark sheet or certificate in India. We will explain each step in an easy way. No confusion. Your CBSE mark sheet is a very important document. You use it for college, jobs, passport, and government purposes. So your name on it must be correct. If your name is wrong, it can cause problems later. It is important to fix it legally. There are two main ways to change your name. One, you want a legal name change, like you changed your name because of family reasons, marriage, or personal choice. Second, the name was wrong due to a spelling mistake or typing error. Both cases can be fixed, but the process is slightly different. A student can apply for a name change. If the student is a minor, then parents or guardians apply for them. This applies to Class 10 and Class 12 mark sheets and certificates. The first step is to talk to your school. You must submit an application to your school principal. This is true whether it is a correction or a legal name change. The principal checks your request and documents. They will help forward your case to CBSE. You will need to attach proofs with your application. For a spelling or typo fix, you can use School Admission Form, School Leaving Certificate Admission Entry Registers page. If you want a legal name change, like you change the name itself, then you must have a court order or gazette notification. This means the government recognizes your new name legally. The gazette notification is a public notice that your name has changed. You must submit that to your school with your application. After your principal checks everything, the school will update the electronic record and send everything to CBSE. They use an online portal that keeps records of students' details. Your new name must appear in all linked records from admission to final certificate. This makes sure your mark sheet matches official records. CBSE will receive your application from the school. They will verify the documents and records. Once they approve, they will produce a corrected mark sheet or certificate. This new document will have your updated name. You may need to return the old mark sheet before the new one is issued. CBSE usually charges a small fee for name correction. For example, correcting your name on a mark sheet or certificate may cost around 1000 rupees. If you are changing parents' names too, other small document charges may apply. Make sure you pay the correct fee when submitting your application. For ordinary spelling correction, CBSE has a rule that you should apply within 1 year of the result date. But if you have a legal name change with a court and gazette notification, you may apply later too. Always check with your school for the deadline that applies to your case. Getting your name correct on a CBSE mark sheet is very important. This document is often needed for college admissions, passport applications, job offers, and government verifications. If your name doesn't match your Aadhaar or passport, you may face extra problems. So it's best to fix any errors early. Students often make mistakes like not attaching the right proof, forgetting to sign the application, not going through the school first, missing the deadline for spelling corrections. Even if your name matches school records but you legally changed your name, a gazette notification makes everything official. It is the highest public document that proves your new name. CBSE will accept it as strong proof for name change. Let's recap the steps quickly. Talk to your school principal. Submit required documents. For spelling errors, use school records. For real name changes, include court order or gazette with your application. School sends everything to CBSE. CBSE verifies and issues the corrected sheet. Thanks for watching. If you want more simple legal explainers like this, let us know. We make law easy, one step at a time.